Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on a DoorDash driver account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Dasher app on your phone. Now from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of login given at the bottom. And as soon as you have tapped on that particular login option, it will simply take a while for it to be generated. Now we have to simply choose an option for us to log in with our number or the email and password. So simply, if you have created your account with your number, then you can choose to add your number. You can even select your country by over here. If you have created your account with, then tap on email and add in your password. Now it will differ for the same. Let me show you again. If you add in then a phone number over here and you tap on continue, then you will again have to provide the password for you to log in. So either manner, either email or phone, you have to provide the password. Tap on login, you're good to go. In case if you have forgotten your password, you always have this option of reset password. Add an email, get the code, add in the code, and you will be able to reset your password as well. That's basically how it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.